after spending that time prepping my salads for the week, I needed to do my skips because I need to be honest with you guys. If you're an oldie on the channel, I have slipped. I have put on quite a bit of weight because it's just been party after party. The weather is gloomy. I haven't managed to go to the gym in a while, and we're getting to Christmas. Everything will be harder, so I'm trying to do my exercise at home. I just try to put in as many steps as possible, and skipping seems to be a good one because this particular rope records your skips, and I'm trying to do at least 500 to 1,000 till I can work out my workout routine at the gym. For lunch, I just added some mixed green salad, some croutons, and 2 boiled eggs to the prepared salad. And I've got my 4 days worth of meal prep done in a few minutes. After all that prep, it's time for me to enjoy my lunch for today, and the rest has gone into the fridge. It's a bit late for my first meal. I'm breaking my fast at this time, but it's 5 o'clock. I can manage. I broke my fast about 2, so I'll have this delight. And I'll talk to you guys later, or maybe in my next video. These are the little things as a busy mom of 4, how I try to keep my lifestyle healthy. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and give us a like. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Bye.